Welcome to a closer look at our state-of-the-art FRP ladders here at Arham Design and Solutions Private Limited. Today, we are showcasing the cutting-edge features that set our ladders apart from the rest. Let's start with steel gusset. We provide steel gusset for extra support to easily handle a load of 150 kg. This ladder is entirely made up of FRP with airplane-like rivets for durability and handling vibration. Unlike many manufacturers who use aluminum steps that can bend and deform under stress, our FRP steps are engineered for unmatched strength and durability. This steel spreader is powder coated for extra protection, reinforcing the ladder's stability and longevity. We also provide safety handling stickers. These stickers offer essential guidelines on proper use and handling of ladders, helping to minimize risk and ensure safe operation. Now let's take a look at the wheels. These high quality wheels make moving the ladders effortless, enhancing maneuverability and convenience in any workspace. And here's a major milestone for us. Arham has proudly secured an order from Adani. This project was a significant achievement involving the supply of 36 ladders across 18 locations. It's a testament to the trust major industry leaders place in our Arham product. We are not just stopping at Adani Power, we are also successfully completed bulk orders for Tata Power, Reliance and Aditya Birla. Our commitment to quality and performance continues to set a new standard across the industry. What truly distinguishes our ladder is our unique FRP sections, which we proudly call India's #1 ladder sections. Superior to traditional designs, these sections ensure optimal performance and safety.